Okay, so let's start with the demo. Start with our data. The data is 152 gigabyte of CSV file and 24 gigabyte of Parquet. Obviously, we are training right now from the local system, but it is you can also do it from the S3. We are only doing this to save cost. Now let's run our Docker file. And when I do this, it runs 6 different containers. Obviously, the Postgres for the database and the Kafka for simulating those transactions, control center for the visualization, producer to produce it, consumer is basically consuming the Kafka log, and this is our app. You can also see this in UI. For example, for Kafka, we are using Confluent. So if I go to topics, we have one topic, which is taxi trip, is basically the number of trip coming every minute. And if I go to the message, obviously the data is historical, but at least we are simulating as if it's coming in a real life. And if you go to consumer, we have 2 consumer. The first one is our database. We are saving it in our database for future reference and also Spark. Now let's go to our application. Application has 3 different sections. The top section, we just give summary of what's going on. For example, there are 226 trips per minute, like those. And there are 2 different important sections. The left one is a table, which is just so like the number of record, which shows the number of trip coming every, so this is basically just updating the number of trip. And you can see like time, pickup, drop off, miles, and fare. Those are coming from historical data, but estimated trip is coming from our model prediction, the XGBoost model we just discussed. And you also have a map view where you can see which station is more popular. Or maybe you can just, let's go to the most popular station and you can see like how many pickup and how many drop off are there. Why is this even helpful? So first of all, this is helpful for user to understand the holistic view of what's going on even before ordering a ride. And for driver, maybe when they know this station are busy, they can go over there and they can optimize the money they make. Thank you.